Ever felt an unexplainable pull towards a certain product? Or found yourself nodding along to an ad thinking, wow, they really get me? What if I told you it's not magic, but a carefully crafted science? Welcome to the fascinating world of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP, and how it's secretly supercharging modern marketing. So, what exactly is NLP? Think of it as the instruction manual for the human brain. It's a field that studies how we think, communicate, and behave. It explores the connection between our neurological processes, the neuro, the language we use, the linguistic, and the behavioral patterns we've learned, the programming. Marketers, being the clever people they are, have tapped into this to build stronger connections with you, the customer. Let's break down a few key NLP techniques you've probably encountered without even realizing it. First up is anchoring. Have you ever heard a specific jingle and immediately thought of a brand? That's an anchor. It's about linking a feeling or a state of mind to a specific trigger, a sound, an image, a scent, or a phrase. When Coca-Cola associates its brand with happiness, family gatherings, and holiday cheer, they are creating positive emotional anchors. The next time you see that iconic red can, your brain subconsciously retrieves those warm, fuzzy feelings, making you more likely to buy. It's a powerful tool for building brand loyalty that goes beyond just the product itself. Next, let's talk about pacing and leading. This is a classic communication technique. A skilled marketer will first pace you by mirroring your language, your values, and your problems. They'll use phrases like, "Tired of feeling overwhelmed?" or "Do you struggle with finding time for yourself?" They're meeting you where you are, showing that they understand your world. This builds rapport and trust. Once that connection is established, they lead you towards their solution. They'll say, "Imagine a world where you feel energized and in control. Our product makes that possible." By first pacing you, the lead feels like a natural, helpful next step, not a pushy sales pitch. Another powerful tool is the use of sensory language. We experience the world through our 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. NLP teaches that people have a preferred sensory system. Some are visual, others are auditory, and some are kinesthetic, meaning they respond to feelings and touch. Great marketing copy often appeals to all of these. Think about a food ad. They don't just say, "This burger is good." They say, "Hear that sizzle? See the golden brown toasted bun and the crisp green lettuce. Feel the juicy, savory flavor explode in your mouth." By painting a multi-sensory picture, they're activating more areas of your brain, making the experience feel more real and desirable no matter what your preferred sense is. Then there's reframing. This is all about changing the context or perspective of a situation to change its meaning. A problem can be reframed as a challenge. An expense can be reframed as an investment. When a high-end gym membership is marketed not as a monthly cost, but as an investment in your long-term health and happiness, they are reframing the purchase. This shifts your mindset from loss to gain, making the decision to buy feel more empowering and justified. It's not about tricking you, it's about helping you see the value from a more positive angle. Finally, we have embedded commands. These are subtle directives hidden within a sentence. For example, a marketer might say, "Many people find it easy to start their journey with us today." The main sentence is about what other people do, but the embedded command is, "Find it easy to start." Your subconscious mind picks up on these subtle cues, making the suggested action feel like your own idea. It's a gentle nudge rather than a direct order, which most of us tend to resist. By understanding these NLP principles, you're not just becoming a smarter consumer, you're also gaining incredible tools to improve your own communication, whether you're in marketing, sales, or just want to be more persuasive in your daily life. It's about understanding people on a deeper level and building genuine connections. I hope this has given you a new lens through which to view the world of advertising. It's a fascinating blend of psychology and language that shapes our choices every single day. If you found this insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of our modern world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.